Hey Google, turn on the living room's desk LED.
I've turned on the desk LED in the living room.
Hey Google, turn off the living room's desk LED.
Turned off the living room desk LED.
Hello there, I'm Shahriar from Roborear. In this video, we are going to make a smart LED project connecting with Google Assistant, and all the components will be listed in the description along with this code uploaded in GitHub. And I think you will have fun making this project in this channel. And like, share and subscribe. So let's start this video right now. So to start this smart LED project, we need some components. Like we have to use this ESP32, then we have to use a relay module. Like I have a 4-channel relay module, but you can use just 1 or 2 based on what you buy. And then use some jumper wires, like 3 jumper wires. And then I had then use just a regular LED you use for your home, and you have to connect this with a plug, a 2-pin plug actually, and just a few meters wire you have to use. Let's start connecting these items. So first I'm going to connect ESP32 with the relay module. Like you have to take female jumper wires, female to female, connect with the voltage in pin with the VCC of this relay module and connected. Then use the ground pin, connect with the female jumper and connect with the ground pin of the relay module. And then in the relay module, use the in1, like I'm using the in1 to connect it. Okay, in1 connected, and then connect with the D26. For this smart LED control, I'm using D26 of this ESP32 controller. Okay, connected. So ESP and relay module is connected. Now I have to do the wirings of this LED bulb. Let's do this. Like in the wire you buy from electrical store, you'll find the inside this coating there is a red wire and the black wire. The red wire is the positive and the black is the neutral one, and then you just connect it, connect any of the pointers of the holder, like use positive to one side and negative in another, and then use, and the length of this wire is very small. Just cut it the length of your wrist or just a little bit longer, and then you have to use this plug to connect with your AC source. This can be a very long wire, like that much you want. And then the negative terminal or the neutral terminal, just connect them up. I have soldered this item and just use this coating to protect this from getting electrical shock. And then these positive terminals, we have to use this in our relay module. So this positive terminal of this power line or AC source is going to be on the COM of this relay module. Like the relay module has 3 pins. One is normally open, COM, and normally closed. So connect this positive of this AC source with the with the COM connected, and use just a screwdriver. And the positive terminal of this LED bulb connect with the normally open NO. Okay, both of them are connected and our project is almost ready. Just plug this up with your AC source and connect this with your USB. So to work with Google Assistant, we are going to use this Sinric Pro. Just type in Sinric Pro or just search in the Google, and then you will find this link. Just make your account. I already have an account, so I'm just logging in. So after logging in, you will find this dashboard in your computer screen, and there will be no living room desk like I have here. I already made one, but I'll show you how you can make like devices. You just add a device and name your device, like desk LED I'm using. just given a description like testing a desk LED is enough, and the device type, it must be a switch, and app key, the default app key, it will generated by the Sinric Pro, and just the room for default it is living room, and then go to next. The alert is on and keep the settings as it is. Next and just save it. So I already have this device name existed, but you can make your one by this way. So after making this, you'll find this desk LED here, and to get the ID, you just copy it and other credentials. Like in the credentials section, you'll find this app key and the app secret, and we will use this app key, app secret, and device ID in our code right now. Let's start with this coding part. We have to make this Arduino ID work with our ESP, and then connect your USB and obviously the port number, and then start with this code. Like you have to include some libraries. Sinric Pro library actually have to include with all the dependencies, and then you have to use your Wi-Fi credentials like Wi-Fi SSID and the Wi-Fi password. For Wi-Fi SSID, it's actually the name of your Wi-Fi, and then you have to use the app key secret, app secret, and device ID from the Sinric Pro dashboard, or you will find them in the credentials. And then we have to assign the relay pin. For this smart LED control, we have used the relay pin 26, and then we have to power all things up. So next, in the power state, like we have used this boolean state variable. Like if the state is false, then we will turn this on, and if the state is true, we will turn this off. And that's how this LED bulb turn on and turns off. So in the setup section, we have included this serial number to debug our code, and then the pin mode is actually output the pin number 26, and then we have connected with our Wi-Fi, like we are checking if our Wi-Fi is connected or not. In the setup section, we have connected with our device ID, like we are sending requests to the server of the Sinric Pro and connecting with our device and powering up our device. And then we are just starting our app, like the device we made, the LED bulb, and then just printing this in the serial monitor, like we can debug this. And then all in the loop section, we are handling the Sinric Pro's command. And that's the complete code, and let's upload this code right now. So now we have to just download this Google Home. You will find Google Home in the Play Store, and just download it and open the Google Home. In the favorite section, you'll find like add favorites or your home name, like my home names, and then add devices. In the devices section, just add device, and then link apps or services that work with Google, the last option. Press it, and you'll find the Sinric Pro. Search Sinric Pro. Here you found, and you have to log into your account and connect it with your Google account. Agree and continue, and then just give the password and email. Then you sign in, and after signing in, it will link with your Sinric Pro account. And here your device, just add it to a room, and you have just now living room selected. Okay, and then press done. Now in the room, in the favorite section, there is lighting, one light, and you have to just, everything is right now ready. You have to just connect it with your AC source. So we have completed making this smart LED project. So now we are going to test it. So hey Google, turn on the desk LED. So the desk LED is turned on, and now we are gonna check that if it's off or not by using the Google Assistant. Hey Google, turn off the desk LED.
Okay, turning the desk LED off.
So our project is successfully working. So I think you had fun making this smart LED project in this channel, and any kind of update you can make in this project, please kindly share in the comment section, and like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.